What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today we have this right here. This is the one and only, the myth, the legend, the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector for the S9. This is 100% edge-to-edge 3D protector with no peeling off. This is full adhesive with an adhesive curing done by UV light. So this is pretty much like nothing you've ever seen before. You might have seen videos on other people's channels about this. This thing is really unbelievable. Patent pending technology that they have. It's just, you know, it's pretty wild is what it is. They've gone really out of their way to create this, you know, intricate system with a, you know, huge installation process that makes it perfect. It's tested, it's proven. Everybody that has used these enjoys them, loves them, says they're the best. And the problem is with the S9, the S7 Edge, and all these phones with edges is that companies can't make anything to wrap around the edges and stay down. So I normally use a, you know, TPU style wet install where you have to blow dry the corners to get them to stay down. There are some glass out there that work, and this one right here is supposed to be the best, so we're going to give it a go. This may be a long video because it has a huge installation process, and I want to show it to you guys step by step, so bear with me. It's my first shot trying to do one of these, and we'll get into it. So first off, let's get into what's in the box. You have this big, huge box, bright colors, and you have all this inside. So let's rip this open, savage mode. And this is the setup that you get inside. And you're looking at that like, wow, what the hell is this? Am I gonna do some kind of a surgery? Like, what is going on here? So you open this up, put that to the side. You have a USB, micro USB to USB type A. So that's gonna be for your UV lamp. You're going to need a power brick for that. This is your UV lamp right here. I believe these fold out. Yes, they do. And this looks over it. Almost looks like some kind of a, you know, alien spaceship. So that's pretty cool. I believe you can actually use this too for women's gel manicures. I don't know how strong this one in particular is, but that'd be cool if you could actually use it. You know, you finish doing this, and if you're a woman, you can use it. If not, you give it to your girlfriend and she can use it for her gel nail polish. I know my girlfriend, I bought her a gel lamp like this, UV, so I'm not sure if this does the same thing, but I'm assuming it does. This cures this, similar to you'd be curing like some kind of a gel nail polish. Whitestone Dome. Precautions before installation. Please take a look at the installation video. Familiarize yourself with the installation process and watching the video twice before installation. I've watched a bunch of them, and I'd be lying to you if I said I'm not nervous to do this. So you got all your components up here. You got your Whitestone Dome. Then you have your installation process. Step 1, you're going to wipe off the surface of the smartphone using the alcohol cleaner. You're going to insert the device in the tray the right way. Then step 2, you're going to insert the pin in the hole at the top part. Put the position bridge in that area, the top part of the tray. Step 4, you're going to open the top cap of your UV glue adhesive. And then after that, you're going to remove the protective film from the glass, lay it on that little pin that I'll be showing you, and then you're going to flip it down. It's going to land on it. It's going to expand, and you're going to leave that to about 80 seconds, they say, for the adhesive to spread. I've seen people do it a lot quicker. And then you're going to hit it with step 7. Use the UV light to cure it. 15 seconds at the top part, 15 seconds at the bottom. Take it out, and after placing the wiped clean device on the floor, use the UV light for a secondary curing process to attach the tempered glass for 60 seconds at the top part, 60 seconds for the bottom part. Total curing time, 75 seconds top and bottom. So let's get into it. Let's continue to remove the rest of our stuff that we have. So there's your pin that you're going to be using. Here's your dust removal stickers. Here's an alcohol wipe. Here's the 2 sponges that are going to go on the side to collect any excess adhesive. Here's a bunch of microfiber towels. Put those to the side, and then some more alcohol wipes. So you actually have 3 alcohol wipes for some reason, in case you need extras. You have 2 bottles of glue. where the original versions used to come with one, now they come with two. So you're gonna get, you know, the whole setup. These are the little tabs to cover your speaker and your top and bottom speakers. Here is the glass itself. Here is the tray. Pull out the glue. Here's a little thing that goes over everything. So you're gonna put your phone in there like so. After the phone is in there, you're gonna wanna put these two things in after you hit it with the wet wipe. So let's hit this with a wet wipe real quick. And this is tough to do while being on, you know, camera doing this at the same time, but we'll get it done. So I'm going to turn this to the side, completely clean this off. Hit it with a microfiber. Nice and clean. There we go. I'm going to insert these now, just so I don't forget. Those go in there. You got Bigsby going off like crazy. So now you use your dust absorption stickers right here. So you do see a little fingerprint on the bottom. Probably should have shut my phone off, but I didn't. So now it's on, and we'll see what happens. We're actually going to turn the phone off because that's going to make my life that much easier. So let's turn the phone off. You don't want to make the same mistake that I just did. Let's get this phone shut off so you're not having any power button issues going on like that. Okay, so I finally got my phone shut off. It turned back on. So after that, you make sure you have that headset earpiece covering right there. It's a sticker so no adhesive gets in there. You put this cover on like so. You take your bridge, which is right here. You drop that there. You're going to want to make sure that you're on level ground. If you're not on level ground, you're going to have a problem. So now you take your colored section off. First, you take the glue, put it in there, and then you take this piece off. Let the adhesive get out. It's really on there. Let the adhesive get out. So this is as quick and as easy as you can make it happen. You take that bridge off, put that bridge down. Now this is where you're going to slide in your plastic tab right here like so. Put that in there. Now you're going to take your glass. Take your glass off. This is all real time, guys. You're seeing it the way it is. Peel that off. Line that up the way it's supposed to. Drop that in there like so. Now you're going to tip this down, which is going to be a little tough because I have this leveled off. And once the glue gets to that arrow, you flip this down. So let's see if we can get this to work. And you pull that out. Now you let the adhesive absorb like it's supposed to. It's supposed to completely absorb to the phone. It's going to take a couple minutes, or not a couple minutes, a couple seconds. It says in total about 80 seconds to let it cure and get it all set up in there. You can see it all entering the top and the bottom. So we're going to let that get in there, and I'm going to get this UV light set up for us. All right, we waited the 80 seconds. We got our UV light. We're going to set this baby up right there for the top. Turn it on for 15 seconds. And you're going to let that thing cure. Make sure it's 15 seconds, top and bottom. And then you're going to take it out and let it hit for another 60 seconds on the top and the bottom after you wipe it all off. So there you go. You got about 15 seconds right there. Move this down to the bottom. Another 15 seconds. Get that cured up. And then we'll check it out, see how it's going. Move on to the next step, which is taking it out of the case, wiping it down, and then curing it again for 60 seconds top and bottom. So there we go. Let's shut that light off for a second. Let's take this off, pull this out, wipe it down. Make sure you get all the adhesive off the edges that you don't want. Wipe it down completely, the whole phone. You can remove this sticker now at this point. Wipe off anything that you don't want there that you see that came out. You're gonna wipe it down. This glue does have somewhat of a little bit of a smell to it, but not too bad. I'm gonna take it down, put it on the ground. So it's all wiped off. Nice, nice. And then we're gonna cure it for another 60 seconds. I'll do that right now, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So this thing is just about finishing curing, has about maybe 5-6 more seconds, just finished. There you go. And now here is our finished product. Wipe this baby off one more time. Turn this phone back on. Get it going. Let's take a look at this. This looks really, really good. No fingerprints, no bubbles, no nothing. Glass is perfectly clear. Really, really, really nice. Now, I'd be happy that this works with a lot of cases. I've seen on a few videos from people that this does work with quite a few cases. A lot of the rugged cases, you're not going to get it to work with. But overall, it seems like it works with a good variety of cases. It's not considered a case-friendly case, but it does, screen protector, but it does work with some of the cases out there. So that is a great plus because this is one of the best screen protectors you're ever going to use. It's, it's an installation process, yes. Will you be nervous? Probably, if this is your first time doing it. Me doing it on camera and stuff, I should have probably done it once for a test run and then done it again, but I wanted to show you guys real time how it was going to work. So here it is, all set up. Looks great. I'm happy with it. Really, really happy with it, actually. There's a little bit of glue on the side that I'll just have to wipe off, some like little ball and glue, and I'll have to do a little bit of a cleanup process, but overall, man, this thing is sick. For the price of 50 bucks, it's definitely worth it to secure your phone like this with a one-of-a-kind patent pending screen protector. You're really not going to, actually it's not patent pending, it's globally patented, the technology to do this. So, they put a lot of time and effort into creating a one-of-a-kind screen protector experience, and that's what you're getting here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a tough video to make because this isn't the easiest thing to install, especially when you're doing it on camera. But overall, I'm impressed with it. They've done a great job. Big shout out to Whitestone for sending this out to me to try out. And I really, really like it. This might be a one and done for me, and I might not ever need another glass screen protector on this phone again. Like I said, a little bit of glue on the side, adhesive that I'll have to take off and clean up. But overall, man, this thing is really, really nice. I'll leave the link down in the description where you guys can pick one up on Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you later. Peace.